talking about the United States of Africa. Why is it impossible for it to come? The reason is disunity. Most of us Africans want to prioritize our tribe. Majority of African presidents are only working for their tribes. The little things that they do for other tribes is just balance, to try to camouflage, to blindfold other people. Until Africa realizes that tribalism is not good, United States of Africa is not just stupidity, but is a total nightmare that will not come true. If United States of Africa is to come true, one currency, one military, then the idea of my tribe, my clan, my tribe, my clan must stop. We need to look at ourselves as Africans, as blacks. Until that one is realized, nothing will happen. The major challenge is in the process of us talking about United States of Africa or United Africa, those who are talking about are those who are in power, who are very segregative. They don't know that with their segregation, the foreigners will come and deal with the nationals who are marginalized, who are being segregated upon. Therein, conflicts will continue. The next time, the marginalized will take our power, and the vicious circle will continue. So until Africa addresses the issue of tribalism, Africa should never even try to talk about one Africa. Never. We have everything here in Africa. The foreigners don't have everything. Africa can do without the rest of the world, but the rest of the world needs Africa. Everything is here. Good, minerals, resources, and the rest is here. The true good of Africa is here. So, look at DR Congo. If DR Congo decides to stop exporting colon to other countries, that's enough to paralyze the entire world, leave alone Africa. If African Union is a serious thing, they would talk as one voice towards the idea of homosexuality that is being forced onto Africans. It is democratically well known that majority Africans don't want it. But why are they forcing? And why is AU quiet? What's the source of funding of African Union? Can't Africans fund? Can't all African states fund AU? Can't AU make sure that all African states sell their product through one channel, through a trade union for all the Africans, and we have a better bargain? Can't AU, if they're united really, talk about the end of war in Congo, the end of war in Somalia, and this one of Niger? It sounds so stupid that we are siding with Russia. As well, it is stupid that we are siding with China. And it is still remains stupid if we side with USA and UK on the ground of seeking for support or begging from them. All those, either of them, any among them, should just come as partners, which will conform to our values. I see African presidents flock stupidly to Russia. Now you see as if babies have gone to suck milk from their mothers. That still shows that Africa is still being controlled. Actually, Africa is not even rejecting anything. What's the difference between Russia and other people? Because they sell for you AK-47? Where is the books that they have sold for you? Their discoveries. Have they sold? At least the rest tried to blindfold us with their things, which can help a little bit. The doctors in the hospital read the books from USA and Europe. Where is the books from China? Where is the books from Russia? So all relying on foreign things are all the same and they're all equally bad. We need our reliance to be a mutual agreement which does not overweigh our value. Until Africa realizes that, those who are being sponsored to talk about one Africa should stop. Thank you.